Hello everyone, welcome to a new episode. We're working on Unit 1, Lesson 7 Review. Let's get started with Around Town. We're going to be revising some of the unit skills that were covered in Unit 1. Now, we're going to match the words to the photos. So some of the words we have learned during this unit are exhibition, ferry, platform, and tram. So, the first one is done for us. This is a picture of a metro that we can use as public transport. Let's look at picture 2, which is at the sea or at the river. And this is, of course, a ferry. So we use a ferry to move from one place to the other through a body of water. The body of water can be a river or it can be the sea. Now we will move on to number 3, which is a picture of a tram. Trams are basically used in the city of Alexandria. They are similar to the train, but they use electric power. Sometimes trams are special because they have 2 floors, a lower floor and an upper floor, where people can sit and watch the view as they reach their destinations. And of course, the next picture is number 4, which is a picture of an exhibition. So we can find exhibitions at museums. We go there to look at ancient monuments that have been preserved for years. And the last picture is picture 5, which is a platform. A platform is a place used to catch a train. So if you go to the train station, you will notice that there are many platforms for different destinations. So you have to look at the times table to be able to tell which platform you will catch for which destination. Now we're going to look at the map and answer the question, where do these directions take you? So let's try to visualize by looking at the map. From the botanical gardens, go straight on, walk past the shopping center, and take the second road on the right. You will take the second road on the right. It's next to the restaurant. Of course, if we follow those instructions, by moving from the botanical gardens straight on and walking past the shopping center, that means you do not go right or left. You go straight and keep the shopping center on your right-hand side, and then leave the first road, move on to the second road, and then you will find the place that we want, which is next to the restaurant. Of course, the answer is the sports center. So, good job, guys. You were able to follow. Now, let's move on to number 2. From the station, turn right, walk past the bank, and then turn left. It's next to the museum. Let's say it one more time. From the station, this is the station, turn right, walk past the bank, and then turn left. It's next to the museum. So here, what is next to the museum? Of course, it is the coffee logo, which is the cafe. So number 2, we have gone to the cafe. Now, as for exercise 3, I want you to find a partner at home and take turns to choose 2 places on the map. Ask your partner for directions between them. Remember, you can use expressions such as go straight on or walk past, or take the first road on the right, or take the second road on the left. And you can say walk next to the, and then say where you're walking. And please make sure you practice using those expressions. Now for our writing section, I want you to look at the bus timetable on the right-hand side and the advert in yellow, and then write an email inviting your friend to the exhibition with you and your family. So on the right-hand side, we have the bus station, which is at 9:55, Hamdi Street at 10:35, and City Library at 11. So if I want to go to City Library, True Stories exhibition starts at 11:30 and ends at 1:30. So here you're going to use a greeting such as dear and then mention the name and then start talking about what time the city library exhibition starts and who you're going with, so you can state the person you will go with by greeting them in the email and then suggest a place to meet and what time the bus leaves and what time the bus arrives. Make sure you reach the city library half an hour earlier before it starts because it starts at 11:30 a.m. That's a wrap, guys. This was Ms. Sarah Bassioni. You did a good job in Unit 1. Have a wonderful, wonderful evening. Goodbye.